What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video is about to be a quickie, so I'm here to talk about this final edition of the 6th Gen Camaro called the Collector's Edition. So look and see here, I got this from Camaro Fest 2022 in Kentucky. This is one of the designs they had for a Z28 Camaro or something like that. So the Camaro that's coming out, nothing like this from what I can tell. So we don't have a whole lot of details, but I'll give you what we got. And this information came in one day after Dodge pulled out their final last call edition, the Demon 170 with the 1025 horsepower. So this is one day later. So this is what we got. We got a 2024 Camaro. The Collector's Edition is what it's going to be called. And there's not a whole lot of detail to the image, like a shadowy picture. We can see the hood, we can see the side profile of the car. So from what we can see, it's going to be a ZL1. Don't know if it's a ZL1 or Elite and a ZL1, but it appears to be a basic ZL1. So this Camaro will be going out of production in January 2024. So you want to get your hat in. The books will probably open up this summer. So right now we're on the 2023 model year. So 2024, the books will open up this summer. It's going to be all said and done January 2024. So they didn't say that there would not be a 7th Gen Camaro. So that's looking good for us. So expect the 7th Gen, but this will be the last of the 6th Gen, wrapping that up. So from what I can tell from the images, we got a different spoiler. It kind of looks like somewhere in between the ZL1 1LE, but it looks higher than the ZL1. It could be a ZLE spoiler, but it looks a little different from what I can tell. And also, it looks to be some kind of appearance package. From what I can see on the side, it spells Camaro in the front fender, where it normally gives a Camaro little badge thing with the tricolored shield. It has Camaro, it just spells it out along the side. And there's an Easter egg in there. So it has, in the letter R, it has a panther. And if you don't know, that a Mustang's natural predator is a panther. So that's a fun fact that I learned at a car show. There's a guy who has a Camaro, a 5th Gen Camaro. He has that, like a whole theme airbrushed in the hood and in the trunk of his car. So I'll see if I can find some video on that and share with you guys. But the Camaro is supposed to be a panther to the Predator to the Mustang. Camaro's biggest competitor, besides the Corvette, is a Mustang. So what powertrain will it have? I don't know. I saw a ZL1, so I assume a supercharged V8. I'm thinking it'll have the CT5V Black Wings powertrain, so 668 horsepower, just a little bit more than the 650 that we have with the rest of the ZL1s from 2017 to 2023, and probably 2024 for the regular ZL1s. But I don't know. That's all the details that we have. That's all the information. I was expecting this to happen as a 2023 model year because I got myself into my ZL1 so I could get a final edition, but that got pushed back. They said they were canceling the Camaro. It's just a lot of confusion and misinformation in the Camaro community right now, but this is straight from Chevy right here. So this is what it's going to be. I was expecting this to come for a 2023 model year because we didn't expect the 2024 model year for the 6th Gen Camaro. They were supposed to either kill it off or it's supposed to turn into an EV sedan or whatever they're doing with the Camaro. But that's all I got for this final edition, Collector's Edition Camaro. I really wish that it was this thing because I thought this was just a great design. But that's all we got here. I'll keep you guys posted if we hear anything new. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, browse this channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.